Okay, here's a quick overview of my screenshotting process. I use a tool called Gyazo. It's a Mac application. It's also available for PC. So I use Spotlight for Mac. I tell it I want to find Gyazo teams. I have a team version and then it's the standard single user version. So I use Gyazo teams. I will then select anywhere that I want to highlight. Then it's going to ask me for, since it's the first time running it, ask for permissions, and here I have the screenshot. Now it generates a URL and I can control the permissions as to who I would like to access this file. Anyone with the link is what I usually do for my team members and clients. But now here I have all of the captures that I've done to date, 331. So I can select it. I can then edit it, the image, and this is where Gyazo shines because I cannot quickly, create I can create my text. I can change the color, and now once it's saved, I can copy the new link and put it into an email. I can share it, to social media. Another great way that I like to use Gyazo is for testing bugs. So for example, I can use the Gyazo Gif, select the browser window here, and now I can just show the animation, makes a quick recording. Just going to save it. And there you go. I have an animation. I can actually trim it if I want to. I can share it. Now, that was the free version, personal. But what I can do is go back and I use Gyazo Use Gif. There you go. Do the same thing. Now you can see I can do a lot. The recording is giving me a lot more time to get that, nuance, and that's the difference between the paid version, which is I'm using for teams, and the personal. So I can save it. I believe the paid version is 35 seconds. Now I have controls where I can actually trim, my video. Or in the share options, I can actually, generate the GIF, of course, but I can also download it as an MP4 video, which could be useful as, let's say, B-roll footage. Alright, so now that I have the link, I can, let's say, go into incognito mode. Then it's gonna have my animated GIF file, and it's just so easy to create, like a ton of these every single day. So my developers, I could post it in Trello, I could post it in Slack, and it's just a quick way. If they say a picture is worth 1,000 words, then I don't know what what Gyazo is worth, but it's definitely worth the monthly subscription. All right, thanks for watching.